BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 118 of season 3. Today's word is supplement. The meaning of supplement is to make an addition to complete or enhance something. An extra part of a magazine, newspaper, report or a book. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word supplement. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Supplement is spelled as S-U-P-P-L-E-M-E-N-T. The word supplement means an addition to complete or enhance something. For example, the consumption of protein shakes may supplement the growth of muscles for bodybuilders. Listen carefully how we can use the word supplement in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Supriya worked in a foreign country and wanted to enroll her son for basketball training. Therefore, she took up an additional part-time job at a library to supplement her income. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The teacher gave a detailed explanation about the working of human eye. She also supplemented her lecture with an audio-visual program. This helped the students to understand the concepts very well. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. The result of higher secondary examination was declared. A leading newspaper released an educational supplement for offering career guidance to students. Let us understand example number 4 of 8. The restaurant opened a new branch in Hyderabad. It released prominent advertisements in most leading newspapers. The management decided to supplement the marketing effort with an extravaganza at the restaurant to attract the customers. Well, wasn't that a smart decision? At BM English Speaking, we conduct English fluency courses at our training centers in Mumbai. And yes, we also conduct online courses in English fluency for you. To know more about these courses, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The boxing match drew crowd from all over the city. All the tickets were sold. The manager of the stadium was being requested for tickets. Finally, he asked a contractor to install a tent as a supplement to existing sitting capacity, which means he created extra place or space for people to sit by adding a small tent. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The political leader traveled across the state giving speeches and holding roadshows. However, he also supplemented this with text messages and videos across social media. This allowed him to reach a much larger audience. Let us understand example number 7 of 8. BV School published a magazine on the occasion of completion of 50 years of service. However, the articles written by ex-students about their teachers were omitted, means not included due to lack of space. Therefore, the school decided to release a special supplement to publish these articles. Wow! Wasn't this a thoughtful gesture? Now moving on to example number 8 of 8. Harita was admitted to the hospital as an emergency patient. The doctors carried out several tests. Based on the results, they advised a supplement of vitamins to her diet for better blood circulation. Today we learnt the word supplement, which means to make an addition to complete or enhance something, or an extra part of a magazine, newspaper, report, or a book. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with supplement and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to build your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 118 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be publishing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.